Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle for today. The third and last puzzle today is the Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. With 1 star, yes. In additional, not in today's newspaper of Thursday, August the 31st, 2023, last day of the month August. No, because I've told you earlier, there's no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper. It's the additional of the yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday, August the 30th, 2023. I've already solved 2 puzzles, the letter Sudoku and 2 stars Sudoku, so 1 puzzle is left, and it's the Jigsaw Sudoku number. This will be number, let me zoom this out, yes, number 7018. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. We have here 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 17, and of course it's indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, is this really a 1 star puzzle? We will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see 2 single boxes, here 1 and there 1, so both of them are 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes contains the 1 and the 2? Well, I see here only 1 dual box. The 2 is already given, so 1 digit left in this dual box for number 1. Next question, do we have triple boxes? Triple boxes, I see only 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, this box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there, and 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. And when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Alright, next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here only 1 quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. Well, we have a 4 there, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. The 4 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. And the first one that you need to recognize, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, and this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Alright, then we have only 1 shape. Yeah. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Well, we have 1 here. It's rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape, the L shape? Rotated. Yeah, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. And this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 or a 5 here. Okay. We have more of these kind of shapes, the L shape. No, only 1 L shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of this kind of shape here, up rotated here. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. These 3 boxes can be a 1. We have in this area 1 box left for the 1. It should be there then. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So the 3, the 4 and the 5 are missing here. Well, this box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left. We have a pair, the 4 and the 5. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay, this box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5 as a pair. Okay, this box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape, 4 numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay, and now these 2 boxes can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. But also that box can be a 2, and this box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. Is also connected with this box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5, okay. Then, this box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 5. 4 and a 5. Need to wait. Yeah, I need to wait here. Alright. Then. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I need to wait here. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. 2 numbers left in this area, 1 numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Let me mark those. Okay. I think this box should be 2, because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area, 1 numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those, 1 and 4, okay. This box can be a 1, we have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Same for here, 1 and a 5, double 1 there. Oh, we already have a 1 here, so this box can be a 1. The only place left for the 1 in this area should be there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box give me 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area, 1 was a 3, and 5, 3 to 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4. Can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. These 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, no 1 goes there. The 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Okay, that means that these 2 boxes can be a 1, we have a double 1 there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, we have a double 3 there. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Okay, here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Okay. This box can be 4, this box can be a 2, so the 2 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 nature left in this area for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. Let me think. We have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here and the 4 goes there. Alright, 2 and the 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright, and this box cannot be a 1 or a 3. We have a double 1 there, double 3 there. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. And the final number in this area for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Finish in 12 minutes. Well. We solve it again. Faster than 50 minutes. Told you it should be a 1 star or 0 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also playlists for the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4-star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudoku. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. We'll meet again tomorrow. Yeah, first Friday of the month. We have a speed test. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye for now.